Guys, so today I'm going to talk to you how to get the QR code, how to get the Google search for your QR code so you get the right one and not one that sends you to the wrong page. Again, I'm Jason Guyman here. I help you grow your business, and getting 5-star reviews is one of the most important things that you can do for your business. Whether you do it through at the end of the job, you give them a card that they can do a QR code. Maybe you go a little bit more and get the tap cards. And so today I'm going to show you how to make sure that you get the right link to send them to the right place. Because the last thing you want to do is send them to a place that you may not be able to, that you may not want them to go there. And so again, I have both of these on the website. If you want to check it out, christmaslights.io, you can go over here to marketing. You can get the reviews and tap cards. But this is the code that they sent me. And this is not where I want to send people to my Google or to this Google business here. And so if I just send them here, this is not what I want, right? Because now they still got to figure out where do I go to get the review. And so sometimes people don't know where to get the review. And so I'm going to show you how you can get the right review link for your business. And so let's move this out of the way there. And so this is something that you may need to do. So I'm going to just show it on mine so that way I can get it. I might actually be able to get yours. I don't know, but I'm going to do it this way. And basically, I'm going to type in King pressure wash and training. And so this brings me up to my Google business profile, which is right here. We're going to click on the Google business profile. This is my Google business profile for this here. And I'm going to hit right here where it says ask for reviews. So when you type in your business name into Google, you will get the ask for reviews. So you can just go to ask for reviews. And this is the review link that I want. So if I copy that, and now I go up here to a new website, I go to paste, I click it in there, I hit it there, it will automatically take me and to the website, and it will also automatically get me right to where I can just write a review. Again, reviews are super important for your small business, whether it's pressure washing, Christmas lights, whatever you do, but it is definitely something that is important for you. That's why I preach reviews so much. So you can do the review cards, you can do this here. And so that is why it is important that we make sure that you get the right review code for you. So again, just type in your business name, get into your Google business profile, and then click on ask reviews. Once you click on ask reviews, you just click the little button there, and that way you will make sure that you are able to get the right way to do that. So again, if you need the tap cards, I do sell the tap cards. If you need if you need anything else, I got that for you also. So again, you can go up to the marketing, you can get the review. If you'd like to give me a review, you can take a screenshot of that right there and hit my review. I appreciate it. I try to help you guys out. Again, if you need a tap card, you can get tap cards. These work great. Basically, you just go up, tap it on the phone. It'll come right up to it. I don't have this one set, so that's why it's not working. But it'll come right up on your phone, and they can just click it. Same way how you can do the card here. Basically, I'm just going to take the card here, take my phone, get it there, bam, takes me right to the review side for my card, right? And so that's how easy it makes it, right? When we try to get reviews, we got to make it as easy as possible. If you make this process very hard, you will not get reviews, and reviews are super duper important for you. One of the most important things you can do is get more reviews. So with that, if you need any Christmas lights, if you need anything, go check out christmaslights.io. Hope you have an amazing season this year, and we'll see you in my next video.